How to cook Dan Dan noodles. Ingredients: 3 servings fresh noodles, around 200 grams. Chopped scallion. Blanched vegetables. Chicken stock or pork stock. Toasted peanuts, roughly crushed. Pork topping: 400 grams minced pork, with some fat. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorn. 1 star anise. Half a tablespoon minced garlic. Half a tablespoon Shaoxing cooking wine. Half a teaspoon sugar. 1 cup ya-cai. 1 tablespoon low-sodium light soy sauce. Mixed seasonings for each serving. 1 teaspoon sesame paste. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon chili oil. 1 teaspoon black vinegar. Chopped scallion. 1/4 of a teaspoon Sichuan peppercorn powder. Directions: make the pork topping. Heat oil and wok and then fry star anise and Sichuan peppercorn with slowest fire until aromatic. Then remove the spices. Add minced pork and fry for several minutes until slightly browned. Drizzle cooking wine around the edges. Then place sugar and light soy sauce in. Add ya-cai in, continue frying for 3–5 minutes until dry and golden brown. Cook noodles and serve. Mix all the seasonings in serving bowls. Combine well. Cook noodles in boiling water according to the instruction on the package and blanch vegetables in the last minutes when the noodles are almost ready. Transfer the noodles to the serving bowl. Top with pork topping, chopped scallion and toasted peanuts. Pour around ½ cup hot pork stock or chicken stock along with the edges. Mix well before eating.